Good evening guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the UTC Mall. I just buy what I need for tomorrow. I forgot I want to this is Pop and Play. Pop and Play. This is Pop and Play. A playground for kids. Usually the kids celebrating birthday here. They have a nice house. Here. I forgot where did I pass a while ago. The stairs. The elevator. See? Pop and Play. The elevator. The elevator. I pass here a while ago.